So, ready to go?
Yes, now we are ready to go. We will leave from here to Faro, where we will stay overnight at a B&B. And then tomorrow morning we have to wake up at 3 o'clock to go to the airport because our flight is very early. We are leaving to Lisbon from Faro and then from Lisbon to São Paulo.
No, from Faro to Lisbon.
Oh, that's right. We are actually going from Faro to Lisbon. That helps. And then from Lisbon to São Paulo. I better keep that in the right order.
And São Paulo to Brazil.
So we're just waiting for the taxi. It will take us there and it will be here in a few minutes. And when we are in Faro, we will make a little bit more of photography and video and show you where we end up. It will be very close to the airport and we will actually go there to try to purchase a little bit more luggage capacity, which didn't work to do online for us. See you later.
Finally, Faro.
Yes, so we are at Starbucks at a shopping center in Faro. So we're gonna have a light breakfast. Yeah, this end up being breakfast. We were supposed to have brunch, but we will do that in a bit later. We got the blue sky, strong sun, and a beautiful day. Now the interesting thing is, as we leave from here, the daily temperature is just around 28-29 Celsius, and the night temperature has been more or less 18 degrees. In the meantime, in Brazil, the temperature are rising. So the day temperature is around 28, 29, and the night temperature is now increasing from 15, 16 to 17. So we are just going from one country to another, from one part of the world to another.
Same temperature.
And we will just keep the climate exactly as we left it behind us. So that's pretty funny. And it will be a bigger shock after that, but yeah, let's find out. Now we're gonna have our coffee, sandwich, and croissant. And then we'll spend a little bit of time at the shopping center. Our check-in is in a couple of hours, so we're probably gonna do a little bit of look around, see if we find something interesting to put on the screen. We will find out. See you later.
Enjoy.
Good morning.
Bom dia.
We are at Faro Airport. We checked in already. There are 3 sets of documents we had to prove. So that took a little bit of a while. That's the same for everyone. Very many people, they forgot about the disembarkation documentation that you need to do online with the country where you're going. Don't forget that.
Yeah.
It's gonna make all the queue delayed. Anyway, we were actually second in line coming in here, so we were very early. We thought we were just on time, but we're actually earlier than the check-in personnel, so we are done. We will board in 1 hour. Before that, we need to go through security, find a place to have a coffee, and yeah, we're gonna show you how it looks like up there. It's quite quiet right now at the airport, but people are starting to pour in. So this is the first flight of the morning from this airport.
From Faro.
From Faro. And it's now just gonna be, what time is it? 4:30. Yes, we are at 4:30. We are going to Lisbon, and of course, when we're there, we will also make a little message. So, good morning, everyone. Yeah, you can see on our faces it's early in the morning.
I'm tired already.
We have 20 minutes to get a little bit of breakfast. So we're gonna have a croissant, a sandwich, and
Some
coffee
coffee
with milk and some fresh water. And then we are boarding the airplane in 20 minutes. And then we will see how long it takes before we're up in the air. Yeah, it's a nice little cafe. Nothing special here. Just that kind of serving. Faro Airport is not a big airport. And there's a little bit of a shopping area, but it's good. Being early, tired in the morning, it's nice to be at the quiet, small airport.
And everything is okay so far.
Yes, it is. There was really no problem. Anna had fixed with all the documents, so that was all very easy. I hadn't done anything, so I just thank her for a smooth ride.
Yes, you use your card.
Oh yeah, I used the card. That's right. Very complicated. And we will then be saying hi from Lisbon next time we see you. Good morning.
See you soon. Hello. And now, good morning. And now we are in Lisbon, heading to the next place in Brazil, São Paulo. We have a little break for 2 hours and a half here in the airport, and we go 10.
Yeah, just after 10 we will
Yes.
take off.
So we will show some clips from here, and I think, yeah, that's it.
We had a quick breakfast and coffee, more coffee.
Yeah,
I
because
can never stop drinking coffee.
We didn't sleep very well.
We've been downloading some movies and some episodes from some series that we can follow, so we can sit on the airplane and watch them. If you're not sleeping or busy reading a book, we got some ebooks as well. It's good to do that on the airport, charging all our batteries and everything.
Because
Make
it's
sure
10 hours.
we're gonna be 10
Right.
hours in the air. We don't know, get bored. And today with COVID and things, you have to sit there with your mask. You can't really be very active. So we're gonna make sure to stay busy with our small devices here.
But the good thing is we left early in the morning, and then we will be there like early in the evening. So
That's
it's,
actually true. We are leaving from east to west, from north to south. We're going to be flying almost 8,000 kilometers for 10 hours, and we will do this within the same day. So we're starting in the morning with sunrise here, sunset there.
yes, that's very good.
So the next time we talk, we will be on the airplane, ready to take off to Brazil, and see if we get the possibility to tell you a little bit about the airplane. It's an Airbus 330, plenty of space. We got good legrooms in the very back of the plane, but we will find out if that's a good thing or not. Until then, take care.
And see you later.
See you later.
Hola.
There, now we are on the airplane. Everyone is trying to find their seat. We found ours. Luggage is in the top of us, and blankets and things to keep us warm is down below. So 10 hours, just about, on this airplane. We are in the very far back of the plane. It's going to be a good place to sit. Not that bumpy, let's see. But hopefully calm, not much running, and perhaps you can catch a couple of hours sleep. So next time we see you, we will be in Sao Paulo. See you there.
See you.